Welcome to Goo, a Python package for modeling biological cells, tissues, and complex structures like embryos in Blender. Using Blender's mesh geometries and physics settings, we can develop simulations of biological processes that take into account cell shape and mechanics. With Goo, you can control cell growth, division, and adhesion to create something like this. This is a clump of cells that's dividing. So let's see how you can use Goo to create this simulation. We'll open up a new file. We'll get rid of that default cube. In order to make the simulation, you can either code it yourself in the scripting tab, or you can use our graphical user interface. Let's create one cell of just type 1, instantiated right at the center of the domain, so x, y, and z all equal to 0. And we'll give it a size of 1, so like a radius of 1. We'll add that, and then some options open up for division, growth, and adhesion. So let's set our cell to divide every 20 frames. We'll set the growth rate to 20 as well. We're going to skip adhesion for now. This would be adding forces attached to the cells so you can look at different interactions and collisions. And if you want, you can also set a file path where images will go if you're rendering the simulation. So now we can generate a script that'll show up in the terminal and then copy it over here. So now if we run that script, you end up with a single cell right in the center, just like we want. So now if I play this animation, you can see the cells growing, it's getting larger. Then once it hits the 20th frame, it divides. The cells keep growing even after they divide. And this can keep going on for as long as you want, as long as you specify the frame number. So from here you can add a material to the cell like I showed at the beginning, or you can add adhesion forces to simulate interactions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out our GitHub link in the description. Thank you!